Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start with the cleanest source. Export a high bitrate master using a modern codec like H.264 or H.265, 10-bit color if possible. Once done, verify resolution and frame rate match your timeline. Make sure to use a wired connection and Chrome or Firefox. You should upload the highest quality file your account supports, then pick the unlisted or private option to test. This first upload sets YouTube's baseline. Lower quality masters force heavier compression, so don't skip this step. You now control encoding. Choose bitrate targets that exceed YouTube's recompression thresholds so their encoder preserves detail. When exporting, use single-pass high-quality or constrained VBR and set keyframes every 2 seconds. This helps YouTube avoid re-encoding artifacts. Make sure audio is 320-384 kbps, AAC, and container is MP4. After upload, wait for both SD and HD processing to finish before evaluating. Finish by comparing the YouTube output to your local master on a good monitor. Look for blocking, banding, and over-sharpening. If you see problems, re-export with a higher bitrate or switch to H.264 high profile and upload again. This often forces a cleaner recompression. Once uploaded, give YouTube time to process full quality. If issues persist, clear cache, test incognito, or use a different browser and network. Sometimes browser playback settings mask the true result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.